A research is a process of systematic search for verifiable truth about a problem phenomenon. Hence, this systematic search requires developing a systematically organized approach, which is called the research protocol. The research protocol of a public health research paper includes the introduction, the literature review, the methodology, the results, and finally the discussion, conclusion, and recommendation. Chapter 3 of the research paper contains the methodology. In developing the methodology, you need to give details about first the study design. The study design should say if the study is an intervention, and details the intervention protocol should feature. Other details under the methodology are the population and the study sites, the sample size and the sampling technique for the study, the variables and hypothesis testing procedures, information about the instrument used for the study, validity and reliability of the instrument standardization procedures, data collection for the study, ethical issues involved in the study, data analysis, and the data analysis procedures of the study.